How to delete autofill form profile on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete autofill forms profile on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner and click settings and here you will find this one here, personal browsing data. Click on it and then just click this one, autofill forms, and then just click profiles, and if you want to delete it just click delete. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.